2026 Volkswagen Transporter Tone reimagines one of VW's most iconic nameplates for the modern era, blending retro inspiration with today's practicality, safety, and technology. It's aimed at buyers who need a versatile van for family, lifestyle, or light commercial use, but want something with more character than a typical box on wheels. From the outside, the new Transporter Tone pays subtle homage to the original. The nose is shorter and more upright than many modern vans, with a simple, clean front fascia, large VW badge, and optional two-tone paint that echoes classic split-screen models. Rounded LED headlights with a friendly face, smooth body sides, and a relatively low beltline give it a softer, less industrial look than most competitors. Sliding doors on one or both sides, depending on spec, a large tailgate or twin rear doors, and 16 to 18-inch wheels keep the design practical while still recognizably Volkswagen. Inside, the cabin is designed to be both functional and welcoming. The dashboard has a straightforward, horizontal layout with a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen angled slightly toward the driver. Controls are large and logically arranged, suitable for everyday use or professional drivers who spend long hours behind the wheel. Materials are durable but feel more car-like than purely commercial, with soft touch panels in high contact areas on passenger and higher trims. Seating configurations vary by version, from 2 or 3 seats up front in panel van form to multi-row layouts in combi/caravel-style people movers that can carry families, shuttle passengers, or adventure gear. Technology is very much up to date. The central infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, and, in many markets, built-in navigation and connected online services. USB-C ports and available wireless charging keep devices powered, and higher trims add upgraded audio and additional connectivity features. The digital driver display can show speed, navigation prompts, driver assist status, and trip data in a clear, configurable format, making the Tone feel more like a modern VW car than an old-school van. Powertrain options for the 2026 Transporter Tone are expected to focus on efficiency and low running costs. Market-dependent choices include turbocharged petrol and diesel engines and potentially a plug-in hybrid or full electric variant in line with VW's broader electrification push. All are tuned for strong low and mid-range torque, ideal for city deliveries and loaded driving. Transmissions include manual options on work-oriented models and smooth automatics on higher trims and passenger variants. Front-wheel drive is standard, with the possibility of all-wheel drive on certain versions for extra traction in poor weather or on rougher access roads. On the road, the Tone is tuned to be easy to drive and comfortable rather than sporty. Steering is light and accurate for tight streets and parking, and the suspension is set to absorb bumps, speed humps, and rougher surfaces without excessive body movement. Compared with older vans, cabin noise and vibration are much better controlled, particularly in passenger-focused trims with extra insulation. The driving position is upright with excellent visibility, which many drivers appreciate for both city and highway use. Practicality is at the heart of the Transporter name. Cargo van versions offer a flat, square load area with multiple tie-down points, wide door openings, and a low load floor to make loading easier. People mover variants can be specified with removable or folding seats, allowing you to switch between carrying passengers and cargo as needed. Roof rail options and factory-ready mounting points support roof racks, boxes, or sports equipment, making the Tone appealing for camper conversions and outdoor lifestyles as well as business. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Volkswagen Transporter Tone is positioned to cover both commercial and private buyers. In many markets, basic panel van models are expected to start in the equivalent of the low to mid-$30,000 range, with better-equipped combi/caravel-style passenger versions moving into the $40,000. High-spec models, electrified variants, or factory camper-ready versions could extend into the $50,000 plus bracket depending on equipment and local taxes. That positions the Tone as a versatile platform, equally at home as a hardworking van, a premium shuttle, or the base for a modern, retro-inspired camper build. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, Subscribe to Grav on Cars and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest van and lifestyle vehicle reviews. Tell me in the comments, would you configure a 2026 Transporter Tone as a pure work van, a family people mover, or a full camper conversion? Thanks for watching Grav on Cars. Drive safe, stay versatile, and keep moving forward.